we'll be using this sledgehammer to break this chalk. We need your help to smash this chalk and to smash the subscribe button and the like button so that we can be successful. First of all, how are we meant to smash the chalk if we haven't got the wrapper off? Okay, let me drop it. There we go. Round one. I'm gonna hit it like a golf club. Round two, the chalk ninja. Let's go. After 100 tries of failing, I have finally done it. Now for the third one, I'm going to leave it up to you guys. Comment down below what you would like us to do next. And for our next video, we will be smashing fruit. If